If you're serious about upgrading your gardening setup in 2026, the Backyard Discovery Bellerose XL 13-foot by 11-foot greenhouse kit is a premium option that blends durability, functionality, and stunning design into one complete package. This isn't just a greenhouse, it's a full outdoor gardening workspace built for year-round use. One of the standout features is its all-weather durability. Built with 100% cedar wood and reinforced with commercial-grade polycarbonate panels, this greenhouse is designed to handle extreme conditions. It's Pro-Tech tested to withstand up to 30 inches of snow load and winds reaching 100 miles per hour when properly anchored. That level of resilience makes it ideal for gardeners who want reliability in any climate. The 4-wall polycarbonate panels are another major highlight. Compared to standard double-wall panels, these provide about 30% better insulation. This means your plants stay warmer during colder months, helping extend your growing season without relying heavily on external heating. Whether you're growing vegetables, herbs, or delicate flowers, maintaining consistent internal temperatures becomes much easier. Inside, the Bellerose XL truly shines with its spacious 143 square feet interior. You get a well-organized layout featuring 33 linear feet of lower staging shelves, 15 feet of upper shelving, and 8 plant hooks. There's more than enough room for large planters, seedlings, and even a wheelbarrow. The built-in workstation adds extra convenience for potting and organizing your gardening tools. Ventilation is also handled intelligently. The greenhouse includes a temperature-activated exhaust fan along with 2 easy-open windows. This combination ensures proper airflow, helping regulate humidity and temperature while promoting healthy plant growth. It's a great feature, especially during hot summer days when overheating can damage plants. Another modern touch is the PowerPort system, which includes 3 electrical outlets and 3 USB ports. This allows you to power grow lights, fans, or charge your devices without running extension cords across your yard. Additionally, the dual hose hookup system, both inside and outside, makes watering your plants simple and efficient. Aesthetic appeal is where this greenhouse really stands out. The light brown cedar finish combined with the attached pergola creates a charming, high-end look. You can decorate it with climbing vines, hanging plants, or even outdoor lights to turn it into a relaxing garden retreat, not just a functional space. Assembly is straightforward, but does require patience. The kit comes with pre-cut, pre-drilled, and pre-stained pieces, along with step-by-step instructions through the BILT app. However, based on user feedback, expect around 10 boxes upon delivery and plan for at least 2 people during installation. Most users found the instructions clear and the parts well organized, which helps simplify the process. Speaking of user experiences, buyers consistently praise the build quality and spacious design. One reviewer mentioned that although the number of parts seemed overwhelming at first, organizing them made assembly manageable, and the final result exceeded expectations. Another user highlighted that for the price, this greenhouse offers excellent value, especially considering its durability and premium features. Of course, this is a large and heavy structure, weighing nearly 650 kilograms, so you'll need a solid foundation and enough outdoor space. But once installed, it becomes a long-term investment backed by a 5-year warranty. Overall, the Backyard Discovery Bellerose XL greenhouse is perfect for serious gardeners who want a durable, stylish, and feature-rich solution. It combines strength, efficiency, and elegance, making it one of the best greenhouse kits available in 2026.